Hello all, it's Tiffany Delite here in Wichita, Kansas, in my garage with my brother Audie, chilling with me on the phone. Say hi, Audie.
Hi.
Yeah, February 21st, 2013. Pretty much all of Wichita is snowed in. Like you can't see it snowing. I heard that. We all had ample time to prepare for this storm. Buddy?
Guess what?
What?
We all had ample time to prepare, and guess who only has one Pepsi left?
Oh my goodness. Audie lives about 10 miles north of Wichita, and he was going to get out earlier to...
So I was just trying to pull my truck into the street so I could shovel the drive.
And his truck got stuck in the street, and thankful for neighbors that helped him out. And
I'm at least on my property, but I'm like halfway in my grass. Where I ended up, I couldn't do nothing about it.
I ventured out and away from my house. My son helped me dig out the driveway, and I came up to the quick shop, and this was the scene. I've been wanting the snow, I've been wanting to build a snowman, a big snowman, and I hopefully will be doing that and sharing that with you later. Audie.
Yeah.
I love you.
Love you.
Are you tired of playing record?
I'm tired of being on the phone.
Oh. Well.
I'm going to get off here.
You are?
Yeah, I need to get back out there and finish shoveling.